sending every follow-up email manually, you're wasting hours every week. Here's how to automate your entire email sequence in GoHighLevel in under 3 minutes. All right, today I'm showing you how to build automated email notifications in GoHighLevel. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a complete email workflow that sends the right message at the right time, all on autopilot. Let's get started. First, you'll log into GoHighLevel, navigate to your automations tab, and be able to create a new workflow like we have here. Next, we're going to create a trigger. So the trigger is up to you, and it could be a plethora of things. It could be based on when a new contact is added, when a form is submitted, or when a tag is applied. Let's choose form submitted for our example. I'm going to filter this by choosing a particular form. Let's say it's when somebody submits an ebook sign up. You can also choose multiple forms from here as well, as you can see here. So I'm going to choose ebook sign up form when they submit that. Great. And so this is our first little trigger. Now let's choose the plus icon, and we're going to add an action. This action step is going to be send email, as we see here. So we'll choose send email. Now we're going to construct our email. What you can also do is choose an email that you've already developed if you have, especially if you're trying to design your email. This will work really well. You can choose from a variety of different things. So let's say I'll choose maybe a random email. For example, I'll choose a value email just for this example here. So when you're choosing an email design, assuming you already have created your design, it'll format it the way that you designed it. So we'll have the from name, the from email, the subject line, but you can adjust all this as well. This is my recommendation when you're building emails in GoHighLevel. Go ahead and design them ahead of time via template and then add it to your workflow as needed. Now from here, you can also edit the design straight from the workflow builder. So I'll click edit design, and if I want to address the text, if I want to change the color, if I want to add more content or change the complete structure of the email, I absolutely can. And GoHighLevel will allow us to do that from the workflow side. So I can come here and I can adjust anything. I can adjust the color, I can change the headings, I can change the fonts, whatever you think of, you name it, we can do it here. Assuming that's all okay, I'm going to go down here and I'm actually going to check off that says turn on sync. What this means is that whatever edits I made to this design, I also wanted to sync over into the live template, which can be used in other workflows as well. So once I have everything looking the way that I want, I'm going to click save action. And now we have the bare bones of our new email workflow in creation as we speak. Now, what you can also do, depending on what this is used for, like let's say you're sending an email based on an event, you can also add in other delay steps. So that way, when a form is submitted, for example, maybe you want a slight delay of it, right? Maybe you have people going to another landing page after they submit the form, and you want them to have a slight delay in getting the email. You can choose the plus button, type in wait, and you can put in a wait step. Let's say we'll wait 5 minutes, okay? So now what happens is the form will be submitted, and then the person will wait 5 minutes, and then they'll get the email, right? So once you set this up the way that you want, add in all the emails that you desire, add in a wait step or a delay step as well. You can repeat this to create your full experience here. Now from here, all you have to do is switch this from draft to publish, and if your workflow doesn't automatically save, make sure that you save it as well. And that's it. Now every time your trigger fires, your email sequence runs automatically. No more manual follow-ups, no more missed opportunities. Your leads get timely, personalized emails while you focus on growing your business. And GoHighLevel handles all the heavy lifting in the background. Now, do you want this exact workflow template plus dozens more? Then join the inFlow community for career professionals who want to learn AI and automation for their side business. The link is in the bio and in the description. And go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more tutorials like this. And share this tutorial with somebody else who needs to learn GoHighLevel and other automations like it. And remember, build systems that work while you do. Be inFlow. See you later.